Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on Verasity. As in my earlier videos, I was showing you that recently Verasity broke out another down channel, but after the breakout, it was again dropped down, and this was my last video that I shared a few hours ago with you. And now if you take a look at the live chart, then you can see that it dropped down after the breakout, but retested the previous resistance of the channel as support and geared up, then again dropped down. And for the past several days or weeks, it is testing this quite strong support of $0.00238. In fact, from $0.00238 to $0.0021 is a quite long-term support zone. If we take a look at the weekly time frame chart, then you can see that previously this support zone had been breaking as a very strong support zone here in the month of January 2023, and now again for the past several weeks, it is breaking as a strong support for the price line of Veracity. And now the price line has found another downtrend under resistance here, by the way, that was previously working as a support. If it plays a trend line here, you can see that here we had a bounce from the support, and after the breakdown, it is flipped into a resistance. You can see that here we had a bounce, and after that we broke it down here, and since then, it is working at the resistance. We got rejection here, rejections here, rejections here, rejections here, and now the price is once again reached the resistance. In fact, it is rejected once again, and this is the second candlestick that is moving very close to the resistance, this downtrend and resistance. And in today's video, we will also analyze this resistance as well. And I would also like to show you once again this very massive breakout that has already happened on the 7 days time frame chart from this big and long-term falling wedge pattern as well. But before starting this analysis, if you are not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you, and you can find the link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. And if you would like to see how my trading signals work, then I've also shared the link for the trading signal report for the previous month of October 2024 in the video's description. You just need to open that report. And if you would like to check or verify any trading signal like this, the trade setup for API 3, you just need to click on the link for the trade setup and it will take you to the TradingView chart. And on this chart, you can see when I shared this signal, like this trade setup I shared on 29th of October 2024. And you can also watch the complete trade signal as well. Like this was the buying zone and the sell target zone and the stop loss. And in order to see how the price line moved after sharing this signal, you need to click this button. And after that, it will show you how the price line moved up from the buying line and read the sell target zone. Now let's move to the live chart of Veracity, and first of all let me to show you the daily time frame chart. And here you can see that we have already broken out this down channel, but after the breakout the price could not break out this downtrend and resistance and getting rejected by this resistance again and again, and also almost got rejected by this long-term resistance zone that starts from $0.0045 and goes to $0.0049, approximately at half cents. And you can see that previously it had been breaking a support here, and now after the breakdown we got one rejection here, and this time it was moved very close to this resistance zone but could not hit this resistance zone due to this downtrend and resistance. Therefore, now if the price then breaks out this resistance zone, this downtrend and resistance, then imminent move can be possible up to this resistance zone once again. By the way, the technical target for the breakout from this channel is here at the top of the channel at 1.6 cents, but in my opinion, it can also try to break out this long-term resistance of 1.7 cents as well. Now, if you take a look at the weekly time frame chart, then you can see that this 1.7 cents had been previously breaking as support here, and now again, it can work as a strong resistance for the price line of Veracity. And on the 7 days time frame chart, you can see that we have already broken out this very big and long-term falling wedge pattern, but still the price did not hit the target for the breakout from this wedge, and that long-term target can be here at the top of the wedge, approximately at 10 cents. So this was the update so far. I hope that you have liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you, and you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.